Hi, I'm Dale Popovich, and welcome to the Great Northwoods. Looking to take your watercolor skills to the next level? Let me show you how you can see as an artist and paint with confidence. Discover the beauty of transparent watercolor and join me at a 4-day journey into the Great Northwoods and with my workshop of rivers, rapids, and waterfalls at Dillmans. Through my unique paint-along, I will guide you in capturing the essence of the Great Northwoods in watercolor. I will teach you how to harness the power of transparent watercolor using my step-by-step process. Together, we will break down the complexity of moving water, rocks, and reflections, helping you truly see the landscape and paint it with confidence and skill. I will send you an exclusive PDF file workbook explicitly designed for this workshop via email. You'll print and unload it to your tablet. The workbook contains the following: photo references for each demonstration of from my personal library, my pencil drawings on watercolor paper for you to replicate before the workshop starts. I'll give you descriptions of the subjects, the techniques that you'll use for each demonstration, and the knowledge that you'll walk away with each painting. You'll have pages with color charts, recommended reading, and pages to take notes on, and more. You'll have value studies, the tubes of paint required for each painting, and a list of additional supplies needed. Yeah. And here's a sneak peek of what you'll be painting in my workshop. Additionally, I will answer any or all questions before the workshop and during. And don't be afraid to take pictures with your iPhone. My workshop is dynamic and engaging learning experience. Students watch me paint, recreate what I've done. You ask questions at any time that you wish, and repeat till you are finished. I'm confident that my teaching style is highly effective, and I encourage my students to bring their cameras, as I said, and you can capture each step of the paint-along for your own personal library. I believe sharing knowledge is the key to learning and to become committed to helping students achieve what their full potential is. My approach is grounded in the belief that the best way to learn is by doing. I'm confident that my students will leave the workshop with a newfound confidence and level of painting skills. My approach is grounded in the belief that the best way to learn is by doing. Dillman's Bay is a nostalgic resort on the shores of White Sand Lake in northern Wisconsin, just outside of Lac du Flambeau and about 12 miles from Minocqua. It's a classic vacation paradise. Dillman's creative workshops are taught by nationally renowned instructors for over the last 40 years. Students are welcome to attend the welcome reception and farewell reception, which is included in your packet. Sue and Denny Robinson, along with their daughter and son-in-law, Stephanie and Todd, will help you in any way that they can to make sure that you have everything that you need. The studios are open 24 hours, so you can go down there if you're a night owl. You can finish up a painting or create another painting just for practice. I love water.